what's up everybody, Sammy here. So today, in this video, let's take a quick look at the Xiaomi Watch S2. So here on the back, we have the high definition display, stainless steel body, Bluetooth core. So it supports Bluetooth core, right? And also it has body fat detection, super long battery life, and independent satellite positioning, and multiple health detection. And also supports the third-party apps. How awesome is that, right? And here are some basic informations like the, you're never gonna read. All right, let's unbox it. So here we have the watch, obviously the watch here, and under that is the some paperwork and cable, obviously. The charging cable, nothing important, nothing too much to say. All right, now moving to the watch. Let's just peel off, or they already peeled off. All right, so I have downloaded the app and added watch. All right. Okay, now it's updating, installing. Now installed. Let's just open it. Okay. Xiaomi Watch S2. Just add it to. Okay. Pair, of course, a pair, right? So as you can see, it supports English, right? Paired. All right. Paired. Okay. All right. Now let me walk you through the gesture controls really quickly. Swipe down, we see the notifications. Swipe up, we have the shortcuts like DND. Raise your wrist to wake the screen. Even this torch. Okay, torch. Okay, this is the SOS, right? Okay, that's great. And some others. Okay, and this is settings: watch face, headphones, Bluetooth, sound and vibration display. Like I showed you before, it supports auto brightness adjustment. You can also customize it. Raise to wake. Cover to sleep. Oh really? Cover to sleep. No, it's not sleep. Okay. Okay, what can I cover to sleep? Okay, the battery with battery saver, or this is the battery saver, or that's it. Okay. I can hold it for 0.5 seconds to activate the screen. To activate the voice assistant, all right. So it's translated. 你好. Okay. How are you? Oh, he understands. What's your name? Oh, you see, it supports English, but why it answers like in this Chinese? I'm not sure how this will be in the global version, if they have global version already. Let's just go back, and then here is the sports mode. This is press once. In the sports mode, we have outdoor running, walking, treadmill, trekking, trail run, outdoor cycling, for women, and that's it. Oh, let me show you the design first. All right, the two physical buttons here, sensors on the back, and two charging contacts, and here the straps supports quick release. I think the same as Oppo, right? Okay, Oppo is even much faster. You can just press to take off. Xiaomi really need to learn from Oppo, all right? So here the strap design is different. Like for Xiaomi, you just use this kind of way, like this. While for Oppo, it's like the old traditional way. This is the display. Oppo comes with this curved display, while Xiaomi Watch S2 is total flat. To be honest, which design is your favorite? Like the square one or the round one? Let me wear it. This way is actually a little bit more hassle, I guess. Yeah, but it's so tight, like super tight, but not that comfortable. To be honest. But yeah, that's it. As you can see, that's my hand. Let me test one or two things. Maybe Heart rate, okay, 84, 80, 94. Is that true? Oppo shows 87. Now they're the same, right? Normal now. Okay, it's kind of normal, very smooth, right? It's Oppo. Ooh, Oppo looks more fancy, but it's the same. They're the same smooth, I guess. All right. This body composition, that's one of the new features for Xiaomi Watch S2. Analyze. So weight, my weight is like, it's high rocketing, you know. It's like 87, the newest weight. Because I'm making too much videos. I mean, if you guys don't subscribe, I will be super upset. Touch two watch buttons with your middle and rings first, okay. Oh, you have to hold still, like this. You have touched, okay. And here is the results. 175 centimeters, that's the perfect one. Fat is 31.3. Okay, are these results healthy? Obese, holy shit, I'm not obese now. I'm not obese now, really? Holy smoke. And then BMI is 28.4. Fat percentage obese. Fat mass obese, muscle mass is normal, water is low. Holy shit, I need to drink more water. Okay, now let me give you a quick look at the app. We'll just go through really quickly. The first page is that kind of overall information, like how many steps, your sleep status, this kind of thing, workout, and device. Here you can set everything. Profile. Basically, it's all about your profile, right? Okay, nothing too much. All right, that's the basic gesture control and first look of this Xiaomi Watch S2. I think at least one feature that really amazed me, that's the body composition. I like that. I will pay more attention to my health, to my body, and yeah, I will try to like work out more, you know, that kind of thing. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm Sammy. We'll see you in the next one.